Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, I'm singing to a pine tree. Some melody is causing me to serenade a pine tree.
The weather has such cold and frost, I fear my marbles all are lost.
The frozen sky might just be why I'm singing to a pine tree. Oh, what has now come over me? I think the tree is listening.
It plays the tuneful melody.
I think I hear it whistling. If anyone could hear a bet, they would enjoy our fine duet. We make a joyful harmony because the tree is listening. I've done some foolish things before, but nothing so defective as singing to a Christmas tree. I've lost all my perspective. My friends don't think it odd because they all believe in Santa Claus. One day they might be joining me
In singing to
in singing to a